Hey everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back. So let's start our DIY today. For this I am using these empty planters or waste pots. You should take 3 different sizes of pots and start sticking them one over the other to form a tower. So here I had used strong glue to stick them together and let it dry overnight. So now as a base coat I am applying gesso. You can apply 1 or 2 coats. I had applied 2 coats of gesso. And if you guys don't have a sponge dabber, you can even do it with the help of brush. And this is how it looks once you are done with the base coat. Now let's start painting. For this I am using this light blue. So now on top of light blue I am applying this dark blue, a thick line of dark blue. You can draw this easily with the help of flat brush, number 4. And guys, you can see here for the bottom part I had left some gap. There I'll be drawing a door. And now I am drawing a window. Draw more windows to cover the gaps between the pots. By this you might guess that I am making a lighthouse. And now start painting the door. For this I am using this dark brown color. And for the windows I am using this black acrylic paint. So now let's start creating some nautical elements. For fishing net I am using this waste netted cloth and I'll be cutting this meshy pattern. So now let's stick this to our lighthouse from top to bottom like this. Now to make the fence I am using this white foam sheet. And guys, you can see here I am drawing line using toothpick. And you'll be getting an impression like this. Now cut it across the line. Now again cut these to equal portions to make the fence. Now cut at one end to get the pointed shape. Now let's start sticking these to the bottom of our lighthouse. Now take any waste cap like this and apply a thick coat of gesso. I'm using an empty bottle cap or waste bottle cap. On top of it, I'm using the same sky blue color. The same way how we had stick it to the bottom of the lighthouse. Now start sticking these spikes round the cap to form a fence. Now let's start creating some nautical elements. For this I'm using these wooden rings. Just apply a thin coat of white acrylic paint, and then on top of it I'm applying this red to create a life ring or life belt. Now to create the nautical wheel, take a polythene sheet and using your glue gun start creating a wheel. Let it dry completely and then you can remove it. It comes off easily like this. Now to get a perfect shape, remove the spikes of the glue gun. And now let's start painting it. For this I'm using dark brown color. Now on the top of lighthouse I am sticking this jute rope. So now let's start decorating our lighthouse. For that stick these all elements, nautical elements, the wheel, the anchor, and our life rings or the life belts just here and there. Now coming to the top portion, let's start sticking the plate which we had made. Apply any strong glue and stick it and let it dry. And our lighthouse is always incomplete without light, so for this I'm using this waste bottle. Actually this is an aloe vera gel bottle and this is the light which we'll be placing inside. So you can see here we can stick the cap to the lighthouse so that we can open and close the bottle whenever we want, and we can switch on and off the light. Apply any strong glue and stick the cap on the top. So now to make it more attractive, I'll be sticking these shells over the lighthouse, over the net like this. And for the cap you can see guys I had applied dark blue color and we're almost done. Now let's insert the light and see how does it look. Turn on the bottle. And that's it guys, our beautiful lighthouse is ready. And you can place this in your balcony to make it more attractive. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this. And please do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.